What's up guys, how you all doing? Not too long ago I did this video badminton racket versus a water balloon, and we filmed it in slow motion at 25,000 frames per second. I didn't have a tennis racket. This thing is way more powerful because that badminton racket actually ended up breaking. It was kind of funny. That video got over 20 million views, so I figured why not do this again, but the right way, with the proper tennis racket, not those big badminton rackets. Got a couple of water balloons. We'll see. Hopefully I don't fail a bunch of times. Okay, practice on. There you go, 25,000 frames per second. Okay, maybe I should. Okay, good. Let's go. Woo! Trigger it. Let's see it in slow motion. Oh wow, that balloon popped. That racket is powerful. I know I'm all proper now. Got a little office chair outside. It feels so good. Have a little bit of shade. Let's see what we got. There goes a racket flying. Oh wow, that was so awesome. Except the balloon popped. I think my balloon's a little bit overfilled, but it still looks super cool. So this time I shouldn't even hit it that hard because I don't want it to explode. But it did look kind of cool. Okay, there goes nothing. Ah! Now there's a balloons I couldn't get to pop the right way. Now this one balloon's popping too easy. Okay, let's save this footage, but we're going to review it. Wow, that looks so cool. Whoa, I love how that each little bubble inside of it almost popping by itself. So it's like its own mini balloons inside of them. So cool. And then we're gonna go speed up. Beautiful. So let's try this again. Hopefully I can hit it without popping it. Practice shot, not even film it in slow motion. The video saves. Usually takes a little bit of time. Save the video a couple of minutes. So this balloon, pretty decent, like a first one. Hopefully I can learn pretty nice hit without messing it up, without breaking it. There you go. I think this hit should be just like that. So the little bubbles, what I'm looking for, is go inside there and then they come out. So I should hit it very, very lightly, obviously. Well, I haven't played tennis in a while. I'm horrible anyway. Okay, very light hit this time. It's in focus. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it's gonna look good. I feel like might be too light. Maybe next one I'll just throw a balloon on the racket if it doesn't work, but I think it will. Oh, this is awesome. I just saw it in a kind of like fast motion, but that was my first reaction. Let me zoom out a little bit, I mean rewind a little bit, and then let's see it in very, very slow. Oh wow. Okay guys, that is way cooler. That is so cool. I might do this one more time because the position of the sun, because my racket was kind of sideways, we got a little bit of shade. So I'll save this footage and let's do this one more time. Maybe tiny little bit harder, but this thing is beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Okay, there goes nothing. 4 times is the charm. Okay, hopefully I got what I want to see. Kind of the position a little bit wrong, but we can zoom in. Wow, that's it. I'm surprised that you don't even need to put much weight into it, and the balloon will look so cool. It looks like I smashed it. That is so awesome. You comment below and let me know what you want to see next. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. We're done with this video. Yeah, I'm gonna go film a few more here in slow motion. More slow motion videos coming soon.